Hi, this is Glenn with Keyword Snatch. I developed this program originally for my own use because I have a lot of content on a variety of websites that needs optimizing, and I've never done it in the past because optimizing keywords has been cumbersome and quite a pain in the neck. Now Keyword Snatch can do that. So I have a website, a page here that I need to optimize. Now I could go up to Edit, select all, copy and paste, but I'm just going to take the content, and this content could be from a website, a blog, a Word document, a text file, anywhere you have content. So I'll copy this content, go to Keyword Snatch, go to the big box anywhere, right click, paste, and there's your content. So then all you do is you go up here to Start Search, and bam, that quick you get a table that shows your keywords from the highest relevancy to the lowest, and then it shows you the phrase density or the word density, and it shows you the number of occurrences in the content. So that's that. Now if you want to review later, you can go up here to View Hide Results, click it, and the table will come back up for you. So over here is where your list of keywords and phrases are, and you could edit this list. You can add, edit it, delete it. Edit would be editing a word or phrase, or you can add it to the ignore library. Now if you add, edit, or delete, it'll only affect the content for this page, and it won't, if you delete it, it won't show up in your tags. But if you put a word or phrase in the ignore library, it'll be ignored in future searches on other content. So here's our list. And if you want to review the ignore library, you can just go up to the top here, click this button, and here's your ignore library, which is another feature you can edit. You can add, edit, delete, save to file. And these are words like and, or, come, does, doing, don't, things that are irrelevant in searches. So you just click that. So now back to my list. You can either copy the description meta tag, or copy the keyword meta tag, or copy both. I tend to copy both. And here's my description meta tag. Now we added the description meta tag to the program because in our research we found out that Google and other search engines are going to start putting as much emphasis, if not more emphasis, on keyword description tag than they will the regular keyword tag. So we just copy this description meta tag. I have my HTML editor open, and you'll see where there's already a meta tag. Usually it's content type. So I'll go under that, put a space, right click, paste, and there's my description meta tag. Back to Keyword Snatch. I'll get my keyword meta tag, copy it, back to my editor. I usually put my description first, and then the keyword tag next. So there you have both your keyword meta tag and your description meta tag. We set the program up so that the description meta tag is pre-populated with "this page is about." That way there it sounds like a sentence. And as you can see, it's by relevancy from highest to lowest. This is what the search engines look for when they're indexing your page, and that's how you'll get a higher ranking on all the search engines. So this has been done. I can just save this and get out of it. And now I'm back to Keyword Snatch. Now for demonstration's sake, I'm just going to show you the ignore library, and say we put home in the ignore library. A little box shows up saying, do you want to add it to the ignore list? And you say okay. Now if we've done our work and we want to get out of this, then you just go up and X out, and it'll have a warning box that says you've added words or phrases to the ignore library. Do you want to save it? Well, I don't want to save home because it's probably a good keyword to use in the future, so I'll just say no, and you're done. It's that quick, it's that simple, it's that easy. Thanks for your time and enjoy your day.